what I love about PowerSheets is that they don't just like say, here, make this goal, write it down, but they give you the questions and the prompts and things to think through to make sure that your goals align with what it is that's important to you. Hey y'all, my PowerSheets came in. I got them last night. I was not expecting to get them this quick. It took less than a week all the way here to Germany, which was amazing. Anyways, haven't opened them yet. I'm gonna do it right now so that way you can see what is inside this year's PowerSheets for 2021. So, of course, comes in a cute box. Okay. So, first up are, I forgot what I ordered. First up is this daily planner. I bet it's sticky. No, it's not, but it's on a piece of, it's like a little notepad, and it's great for, it's got like the different times, today I'm grateful for, my priority, my to-do list, things for tomorrow. So I'm excited to try this. If you've watched my to-do list training, you've heard me talk about making intentional to-do lists. This is gonna help me do that for each day. Okay, next up is the intentional to-do list. All right, it's just a to-do list, but like I said, if you've watched my intentional to-do list training, then you know that I like to plan out my week, pick out my top 3 things for the week, and then other to-dos. This is my actual to-do list, not my brain dump list, which is what we often use. So, and the thing I like about this is it is sticky, so I can peel off the top layer and stick it to like my PowerSheets planner. And for the week, and it can just be sitting there to remind me. So, first 2 things. Next up, and a little pen that I can add to my bag. This is like a free little gift, I guess. Maybe. Growing good things. All right, and then the final thing, because like I said, I didn't order that much, I went with pink, which is not usual for me. Even though pink is like my color for the Simply Organized teacher, I don't really like pink like in my day-to-day stuff. The like tealy blue, which is what I was thinking about doing. If you listen to me on episode 81 with Kaylee and we talked about it, I said that's what I was gonna go with, and then I decided, be different, Kelly. So here they are. Okay, I love it. It's got the pocket in the front. It's time for a fresh start. If you listen to episode 81 on the podcast, they talk about, Kaylee talked about how they encourage people just the first thing to do is just write your name, and this is where you do it. Okay, and then some stickers. Okay, and here is the section where they talk about your goal ideas and all of this, if you listen to the episode, all the prep work that you do for getting yourself ready to set goals. So all the prep work, a vision board, and then here it's time. Okay. This is a new goal setting plan template. Basically, like, what are the mini goals you need to start with? You can see start and end, action steps you need to take. But here's where, like, each goal, you write down the yearly goal, why, the resources you need, what it aligns with, your big picture, your yes-no list, your word of the year, and then some question prompts to help you with the deciding like what that goal is going to look like. So there's, I think, a spot for probably 8 goals, and then your yearly overview, and then each month where you list out the important things you need to get done, creating your tending list, things that you need to complete in the month, in the week, and daily action things that you need to do. And then at the end of each month is a spot for you to reflect on how the month went. And obviously a calendar, which I started using this calendar to write down like highlights from the day. I just, at the end of each day, part of my like wind down routine at the end of the day is to just write one great thing that happened that day, or one thing I made progress on that I'm proud of, or just a fun thing if we like went out to dinner and had good conversation, then I write that. Oh yeah, okay, I'm liking this. They like updated a lot. So here's like the quarter, your quarterly refresh. This is what I talked about in the podcast, my favorite part, where you like rate each of the areas, how well you're doing. And then usually, in the past, the layout has always been this each quarter, but it looks like the quarterly, they're just kind of reducing it a little bit. And each of the different areas that you can rate yourself in: health, friends, spouse, or focal relationship, family, finances, work, spiritual, personal growth, and recreation. Okay, and I like this too. In the quarterly goal refresh, they've never had this before, where like, what goals are you feeling stuck on? What's holding you back? What would you need to change to make this happen? What would happen if you do move forward on this? So all, like, what I love about PowerSheets is that they don't just like say, here, make this goal, write it down, but they give you the questions and the prompts and the things to think through to make sure that your goals align with what it is that's important to you, what you want your 80 year, you know, when you look back at 80, what you want to see. But that's the 2021 PowerSheets.